Hello, YouTube friends. Well, I have failed. I have failed my no by July. And I got this delivery today from I Love Dooney. And of course, my husband, who I don't think listens to much of what I say, turns around and goes, "Oh, how's that no by July going?" So I felt very foolish because I couldn't even make it through half a month without buying a bag. I tried, I really tried, but I'll tell you why I bought this one. So, and this is not my address. This is the post office address, so don't worry. But I got my delivery today, so I thought I'd do an unboxing with you guys. And this is one of the nicest boxes I've gotten from I Love Dooney. It's not all dented in and bashed in, so I had high hopes. So let's see. And I think you can see what the color is. The beautiful, beautiful pale blue Florentine satchel. And this size is the one that used to be small, and now it's just their basic size because they realized that the medium satchel is very large. But I fell in love with this color. It is so pretty. And let me show you something real quick here. I'll pan over to my exercise bike, which is folded up here. Look at the color. It's the same. And I also have the same color of office desk blotter. This is like my color for the year. I don't know why. I just fell in love with it. So I saw it on I Love Dooney. I think it was a month and a half to 2 months ago, and it was on sale for a really good price. And I wanted to get the mini version because I have that one in natural, and I thought this color would look really cute, that smaller size. And I thought about it and thought about it, and then a couple days later when I decided to get it, it was gone. And then I thought about this one, and when I finally made up my mind, the sale was over. But you know how I Love Dooney goes. It has sales going on and on. So I just assumed this was sold out. But they restocked it. And lovely Reshmi Beauty Around the World had her video on it. Some other people had their videos on it. And I was just chatting with her about it. She enabled me. No, hers was so pretty. I thought, okay, I'm going to just bite the bullet and get it. So I did not miss out on the great sale. They happened to have another great sale that I was able to take advantage of. So let's unwrap this beauty. So pretty. So this one says it's 14 out of 300. Oh, such a pretty color. Hopefully it will be in good shape. It looks like it is. It's all factory wrapped. Oh, it is so beautiful. I'm going to put this card over here. And what I'm going to do to dress it up, I have this twilly, and I think this would go really good. This is just some little no-name thing that probably looks exactly like something that is a name, but I don't know what it is. I got this a couple of years ago, but I think that would just look lovely, and a little bow on the handle. That look pretty. And then the red on it also picks up on the red zipper, I think. So let's see. Oh, yep. Red zipper. Let me get the plastic off and then I'll show you more. Oh my goodness. Well, it's obvious this was not a return because there was so much plastic on it. But you guys, it's beautiful. It's so soft. It's funny. I had a bag the same color probably around the year of 2000. I think I got it at Sears. It was a leather satchel, real similar size. But it was this color and I just fell in love with it. And then later on I bought a similar satchel in the same color. And I haven't had one in this color for a couple years. So I do use them. I love that color. I just think it looks so springy and cool, refreshing. And this leather, the Florentine, look how nice that is. There is like no texture on this one. It's almost absolutely smooth. A little bit on the side. Oh, it's so soft. A couple little striations here. You can't really see them. There you go. It's so soft. Very even all the way through. Got the nice little feet. Beautiful. I really love it. Let's look inside. And I'm sure you guys all know the layout of these, but this one has the pretty blue trim. And it's got the zippered pocket here, and this probably has my registration card in it. Let's see. Nope, not in there. Huh. I wonder if they just don't send that anymore. I don't see it in there, and this was definitely factory wrapped. That's funny. Huh. Maybe it's somewhere else. Anyhow, here's the strap. Comes on that. And I got this directly from the I Love Dooney site. Very pretty. Love it. And that beautiful green suede. So this is the, here's the information on it. Let's see if it'll focus. Oops. Well, I thought I had it wrong and I had it right. There we go. It's regular $3.98 pale blue. And it's the Florentine satchel. Beautiful. So I look forward to wearing this, and I hope you enjoyed that unboxing. And if you did, please give it a, oh, here's the registration right here. That's funny, it's new. They have it kind of on the back of this thing. So if you did enjoy that, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I appreciate all you subscribers and look forward to the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.